In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay images in Canva, a versatile tool for creating stunning visual content. First, let's navigate to canva.com. Once there, ensure you're logged into your Canva account. This will grant you access to all your saved projects and uploads, making the whole process smoother. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to get started. First, head over to the templates section. Here, you'll find a wide range of templates tailored to different design needs, from social media posts to business cards and much more. For today's tutorial, let's select the poster template, which gives us a nice large canvas to work with. Once you've chosen your template, click on Create Blank, and this will open up a new canvas for you to begin your design. Take a moment to explore the different options. On the left sidebar, you'll see an Uploads tab. This is where you'll find all the media you've previously uploaded to Canva. In our case, I've already uploaded the images I plan to use. Let's start with our base image. Click and drag the first image, the one you want as your background, onto your canvas. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners until it fits perfectly to your liking. This image sets the stage for your overlay. Next, add your overlay image. Head back to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and select the image you want to place on top of your base image. Simply click it, and it will appear on your canvas automatically layered over the first image. If at any point you find the stacking order isn't quite right, you have options. Select the top image, look to the toolbar, and find the position button. This handy tool lets you move the image forward or backward in the layering order. Alternatively, a right click on the image offers the layer option for the same adjustment. Now on to adjusting the transparency, which can add a striking effect. Click on the top image to select it. Direct your attention to the toolbar above your canvas where you'll find the transparency icon. It resembles a checkerboard pattern. Click this icon and you'll see a slider. By dragging this slider to the left, you can adjust the transparency level of your top image. The lower the percentage, the more transparent the image becomes, letting the bottom image shine through. For a balanced overlay effect, typically a transparency setting between 30 and 70% works wonders, but feel free to experiment to achieve just the right look. And there you have it. You've successfully overlaid images using Canva, creating a unique design with layered depth. Feel free to tweak the images as needed, and don't forget to save your work to share with the world. Happy designing.